Come with me, everybody, as I'm unboxing my new logo stamp. A true DIYer know what this means, to do everything yourself. So let's get into it. So I ordered this off Etsy. If you continue watching the video, I'll show you who I ordered it from and their name. So stay with me. Oh my. So I sent her my stamp logo information. And that's the information on Etsy and her name. And the communication was great. How she communicated with me with the stamp. We went back and forth because she wasn't receiving it at first. But as soon as we got it together, wow. And I want to say this took about a week. About a week to receive. And this thing is about as big as my hand. So that tells you how big it is. It's a very large stamp. And the reason I wanted it large is because I want to be able to do my own packaging for my shipping boxes, for my shipping bags when I'm doing pop-up shops. I'm just trying to prepare myself for when I start doing all these things. And this is how I want to try to get it going. I'm impressed. I've never seen my name this big, like, ever. I created the logo in Canva. Took me about 5 minutes. Saved it as a PNG. So stay with me. This was the logo.